What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raphael, and on this channel, I talk about how to grow your business online, how to make money online, and if you're into that kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It'll alert you whenever I release a new video. All right, let's just jump right into this video here. We're going to be talking about what are the best Facebook ad objectives that you should be using for your business, okay? Now, before you come here and you decide which one you want to use, you want to have a clear goal for what you want to achieve with Facebook advertising. Do you want to make sales for your e-commerce store? Do you want to attract new people to your brand? Do you want to create awareness overall? Figure out what goal you want to achieve, and it's going to be much easier to figure out which objective that you should use, because I know this can get a little tricky here. There's so many to choose from, and if you have no idea how to pick one, you're going to get the wrong results that you're looking for. So I'm going to go over all of these right here, and hopefully you can decide which one you think is the best. Okay, so let's start off with awareness here. This is top of funnel objectives. This is most likely for people that just want awareness to their brand. You're not going to get sales from here. You're not going to get people taking a specific action. This is just if you kind of have extra budget to just spend on awareness to let people know that you exist. So companies like McDonald's, Coke, you see a lot of ads that are brand awareness and that are reach, okay? And so the difference between these two is reach campaign is going to show your ad to the maximum amount of people that you're targeting. Brand awareness is just going to show your ad to people that are most likely to like your brand. Moving on to consideration. This is if you want people to take a specific action on your website, on your ad. And here we have traffic. This is going to get you the most amount of traffic, website clicks to your website. This is a great objective to use if you have a website, if you have an e-commerce store and you want to start collecting visitors' information, okay? You're not going to get too many conversions using this objective, but you can actually, depending on the type of visitor that you have. But great objective to use. You can also use this traffic to later retarget, and it's a great objective. Here we have engagement. I wouldn't recommend this to many people. This is because all it is social proof on your ad. This is gonna get you comments on your ad. It's gonna get you likes and shares. Okay, not really sales or conversions, but if you just want to have social proof on your ad, pretty much. Okay, moving on to the next objective here. This is app installs. Pretty straightforward here. This is if you want to download, if you want people to take an action on your ad and have people download your app. Very straightforward. Great if you have an app. Next we have video views. This is if you want awareness to one of your videos. You can actually have a call to action on this objective, and you can have people going to your website or purchasing a product, but I wouldn't recommend this too much if you directly want a sale. This is most likely to just build an audience of people who've watched your video, so you can later retarget with a different ad and sell them on that. Next we have lead generation. Here, lead generation is a great objective if you want to get leads directly on Facebook, but the lead quality may not be high, okay? I've used it in the past with real estate agents. I would get a lot of leads, but many of them were low quality. Some of them would put fake addresses, email addresses. So just keep that in mind when you're using this objective. Next we have messages. I think this is kind of new within the past couple months. This is going to allow you to engage with your customers directly. So if they have a question about your product, you can have an ad that allows them to message you directly. So it's great if you can establish one-on-one support or questions for your product or service. Now, finally, we have my favorite section here, the conversion objective, the conversion specifically. This is great if you have the Facebook pixel installed on your website and you have a lot of data on your customers. You can actually select which type of customers are more likely to convert on my website or my e-commerce store. These two right here, traffic conversion, they're most likely the most used for any business that is an online business. So highly recommend this objective here. Next, we have catalog sales. This is a great objective if you have an e-commerce store, you have a lot of products, and you can actually create ads that show your specific products that you want to sell. You can also do a carousel ad, which is an ad that has multiple products in it, so you can show all the products that you have available in your store. Lastly, we have store traffic. If you have a physical store, if you have a coffee shop, a gym, a salon, this is if you want to have more foot traffic to your store. You can actually put directions to your local business in this type of ad objective. Okay, so that's pretty much all these objectives. But again, like I mentioned before, you want to have a clear goal. Do you want overall awareness to your brand? Do you want people to take a specific action? Or do you want sales and to get in front of the people that are going to most likely to convert on your ad? Okay. So yeah, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you have a comment, go ahead and leave that down below. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.